Hey Casey family, I thought I would share this little, I call it my relaxation corner. Actually, I have more than one. But this is the newest one, sort of new. This vine here is not new, my pothos. I've had this plant for about a year, I think. Yeah, about a year and change. And I think it is the pothos, probably Marble Queen, I'm thinking. Now, the reason I don't know is because I was given this plant as a cutting by a friend. Literally a cutting that had two leaves, I think, and that's about it, and some roots, a couple of roots, and actually, sorry, no roots, because I took the cutting from their plant, their mother plant, and love it. Ignore my basket on the floor. I just took down some plants from that was hanging, and I'm gonna chuck those because I got those bad boys. Haha. Anyway, yeah, so I love this little corner, which I'm still organizing. I had stuff on the bottom shelf here that I'm not sure I want to keep there. It's like a little nook, you know? But this is the view from my couch. You see my furry cushion on my couch. And so I thought, you know what? I've got this Marble Queen, I guess, pothos on here. Let me expand my collection a little. So I already had this philodendron right here. Cute, very cute. Love the heart-shaped leaves, right? Doing very well. I got it when it was half that size in early summer, I think, or late summer, one or the other, but it's growing very fast. And I had it in my greenhouse, my little IKEA cabinet greenhouse. But then I thought it was starting to look a little bleached. I think it was getting way too much light in there under the grow lights. So I moved it over here and I'll see how it does. If the color improves, then I'll know it was definitely the lights over there. Then I bought this plant here. This is a Dracaena. Beautiful. Look at those stripes, guys. Gorgeous. I paid $1 for that plant at Home Depot. $1. Yeah. Then I have an Aglaonema right there. I can't remember which one it is. I have seen pictures of it. I love it because to me it kind of looks, you know, almost camouflage. So yeah, that's the most expensive one I've gotten. It was $5.99 at Home Depot on sale, of course, because these plants are normally way more money than that. So I got that for $5.99. Couldn't resist. It was less than half price for it. And oh, my philodendron, I paid I think $5 for it when I bought it in summer, around $5-6. So not much. I'm a cheap gardener, guys. All my hobbies, I try to keep the cost very low, and I buy things when they're very small and then raise them myself, whether it's fish or plants. And then over there, I have, of course, the ubiquitous Dumpcane, or Dieffenbachia, if you're gonna talk about the Latin name. But many people, especially if you're from the Caribbean, you know it as Dumpcane. Called Dumpcane because if you bite it or put it in your mouth, you will likely not be able to talk if you don't die. Yeah, definitely not a plant that's good to put in your mouth or ingest by yourself or your pets, FYI. And I'll have to get up for this one from the couch. I got this really beaten up, like seriously beaten up, guys. Um, Philodendron Xanadu. Yes, that's the name. Had to think about that one for a moment. This is Philodendron Xanadu. And as you can see, it's had a rough time. Look at that. Which was why it was literally, I think $2, $1. Yeah, at Home Depot. All the leaves are pretty damaged, as you can see. It probably got exposed to the wrong temperature or something like that. They're all damaged. But if you look down in there, look at that. It's only been with me for, I bought this on Thursday. Today is Saturday. And look at that. Look at that. It is throwing out a new leaf for me. And as you've seen, of course, it lives right here next to my humidifier. So guys, as I'm sitting on my couch, chilling and relaxing with my blanket and my very cozy pillows, which cost a pretty penny. Anyway, I love this. I keep looking at it because it's seriously making me feel like I'm in a little tropical hideaway kind of thing. Oh, and I should mention, this is how I light this area because, as you can see, yeah, it's not gonna get any light in this corner, guys. Hardly any. So it gets the ambient light from my little beta tank right here. And anybody who's seen my channel knows my little beta. He's old. I've had him for a while, 2 years or something. I rescued him. He was actually gray when I bought him because he was half dead. So I rescued him because I thought he just was so cute. And look at him. He's old. He's changing color. You know, his lips are a weird color. But hey, I love this little guy. I got to do a clean on his filter and aquarium tomorrow. But yeah, he's in here in the middle of this little jungle. He probably thinks he's in a jungle. And of course, he has live plants in his little tank. But that's for another video. If you want to know more, you can check out other videos I've put up about my little beta guy in his little planted tank. Okay, so yeah, the plants get light from this hang-on light that I bought for my beta, and they also have light from here. So I bought this really, really cheap floor lamp from IKEA. We're talking 20 bucks here, okay? Yeah, it's $19.99. Just for the purpose of adding extra light to my plants. See the little base right there? And it is doing precisely what I want. It is on a timer, okay? The timer's sort of chucked in the corner there. Yeah. I put the aquarium light and this light on the same timer. My floor lamp, my real floor lamp, is not on a timer. Yeah, so I just had to show you guys this little corner, which I love. And I'm going to pan down. Look at this. Do you see this pothos? I don't know what kind of pothos it is. I wish I could figure it out. I think it's Marble Queen, but it could also be golden pothos. I don't know. I just love it. The leaves keep getting bigger and bigger. Look at that. There's my hand. Look at the leaf. They're much bigger than you think. Look at that gorgeousness. Okay. Gorgeousness. Oh, what's that on it? Garbage. Yeah. Look at that. And some of the leaves up here that get way more light. Look at that. Oh, don't you just love that? I need to give this plant a bath. If you look carefully, you can see there's dust on the leaves, which is not great. Prevents photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Let's say that slowly. But yeah, you should give your plants a bath or wipe their leaves or something. Because think about it. In nature, they would not be covered in dust as they're growing in their tropical jungle, rainforest, or wherever they're from, right? And you can see another leaf over here. The variegation is just gorgeous. There's a reason why these plants are so popular. Okay, they're everywhere, but they're gorgeous. And I've got them planted in Leca potting mix that I made. So it's basically regular potting soil, all-purpose, and then I mixed in Leca pebbles to help with drainage and hold on to moisture as well. And it loves it, obviously, because like I said, when I got this plant about a year and change ago, it was literally a cutting that was 2 small leaves. That was it. And it's been here in this corner since then, getting light from the aquarium because I did not have this floor lamp right here. I just added this for these guys. The yellow paper is, of course, as you can see, for fungus gnats. And, you know, they always love to come and live in your pots if there's enough moisture. So, yeah, this is my little jungle corner, guys. And I'm loving it. It is so relaxing. Ignore my air conditioner thing. Anyway, it is so relaxing. And yeah, I also benefit from the humidifier. Lovely humid air, cool air coming from my humidifier. Because my place is kind of dry, really dry. Okay. But anyway, guys, that's it. That's my newest little plant nook. Hope you enjoyed the little tour. Maybe I'll give you guys some more tours on my indoor plants. I do have a few, to be honest. I might do my IKEA cabinet soon because I'm loving my IKEA greenhouse cabinet that I put together. Very proud of it. Still not completely done, but getting there. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, family. And remember, I love you. God loves you. So love each other, man. All right. I'm out. Bye-bye.